Hello everyone, welcome to Shri Maya. In this today's video, I'm going to show you how you can actually turn your inspiration into a final illustration. So let me start, and here I go. So firstly, I'll show you from where I took my inspiration. So this is a beautiful book called Asura. This is a book on Ravana, and very recently I was going through this book, and currently I'm reading it also. So this book is actually having some very interesting designs on it which inspires me a lot. So I think why not to create a design out of this and take this as an inspiration. So what I did, I'll show you. So here it is. As you can see, I have taken full inspiration from this book and converted it into my real design and how this looks. I'm quite happy with the end result what I got, and now in this video I am going to tell you that how you can also achieve this kind of ideas to convert your inspiration into a design. So let's begin. So I will try to make the video as shorter and quicker as I can. So here is the quick look of the book from where I got my inspiration. It is really an amazing book. The character over here, we can see it's Ravana, and all this intricate design are all showing us the beauty of mythology. I think everything is so much fulfilled in it and totally creating a very nice look. So I challenged myself to create something like very different to the look of this. We can actually go for the Indian touch as Indian wear, but I challenged myself to go for a formal wear. So from this, how can you get inspired? So let's see how we can do it. So there is inspiration everywhere you go and see. So this book is full of inspiration as from my view. So I'll just list out what inspires me from here. So firstly, the color is very nice, mustard yellow orangish color it is. Then the face, then all these designs over here, it is showing a lot of design, and the best thing about it is that it is completely filled up. As you can see, this is quite a filled design, right? So I'll figure out all the list of the colors. So firstly, the color. So this colors, firstly I'll list out all the colors. So it is orange, a shade of orange actually, mustard yellow orange mix kind of something, then red, green, black, whatever color which is visible to you, you can just keep on writing it out, yellow, and I think that's it. Even little much of golden kind of look is even added to this, yes, and white. So these are the colors which are actually been used. Now it is very up to you actually that you want to use all this color to your design or not, or you just want to club some of this. Okay, now second thing, I'm going to focus on the type of motifs and designs which is actually drawing my eyes. So what are the designs over here? These are really very attractive, so I'm going to see these designs first. So this design is looking very nice, so I'll try to cover up this part. So here I go, I'll try to make a motif out of it. I'll go very rough, very simple with my thought. I'll play right now. There is no any drawing thing that have to be focused. I am just focusing upon how to create, what to create, how it is going to work in that way, right? So I will just complete this. This is a really very nice design, I think. So I will use this motif. I think I can use this because this is really a prettier one. Okay, and a lotus is given here on the top. So I'll go very free-handed like this. So this one motif is really very attractive. then attracts me is this lines on the forehead. These lines are really very nice. When we see, we are actually getting very nice look out of it. This eyes are really nice, so why not to choose them also as your motive. This is beautiful, and I think it will really help us to get an abstract design, which is what we are looking for. Or even you can just keep on working according to your way, what kind of wear you want. As in the very beginning I mentioned that I challenged myself to get it into a formal wear, which is really a different kind of look out of this. So yes, then this chunk over here, this is really amazing. I think it's looking very nice. The color is actually very nice, so I'll draw this out, because when I am drawing this motifs, this is actually giving me much more better clear picture that what I am actually looking for, and what are the things over here, what are the elements over here which is actually giving me inspiration. So this is a way by which I can actually make it very easier. So these are the colors, these are the motifs, and over here the lines which we can see as the borders. So just keep on drawing things, it won't take much time, and for the budding designers it are the best way to actually find out your design from your inspiration. So just make it very simple, just keep on going the way your heart says, and what attracts you, just keep on doing that. So this is a border which is really nice, I think. Then over here this check parts, I even like this. I think this can also look amazing when it is converted into a design. So these are some few motifs actually I am liking right now, so I will stick to them. Even you can just add on little more according to your wish. Even this teeth area is also quite nice. You can take this part as a motive. If you like, you can go for many other motives given over here. So something we have to point out, as we can say, so for pointing out what we can say, that it is quite colorful. It is colorful. Secondly, it is quite we can see that there is no any space behind, so no background spacing. It means that we have whatever design we will make out of this, that design will be quite fulfilled. Okay, so there will be no any gap between any placement of motifs or designs, so we will try to manage it accordingly. Then the curvy lines are over here, different type of lines are over here, so I'll write down line, because this is really an important element over here, because everything is here line, right? So I got some really very nice and good facts over here which actually inspires me. Plus I think that the mythological part is also very nice, which is actually giving me a right indication where I should go. So now a listing of the thing is already done. So this is the process where actually you are going to be very relaxed, and you can say that yes, now I can easily convert this into a design, because you have the color palette with you, you have some motives with you, you have already listed out something which is which is actually you are finding in this book, which is inspiring you, right? So this is some of the things I have listed out. Now what I'm going to do, that this space over here, now I'll try to make out some of the patterns and designs, as I have already made my mind for go with formals, and that's why I'll try to give it those elements which are quite impressive from this book that inspires me. So in formal wear we have to follow many things which are quite restricted, and we cannot go very fancy with it, but here I am going with a designer one, so I can play with it. I can give different color blocking and everything. So firstly, when I see multicolor, like colorful things, so I'll try to give some color blockings. So I think that color blocking will be a nice modern look. Secondly, now I'll start drawing something. So firstly, for formals, what are the wear which are actually been used in formal wear? We have to figure that out, right? So we will go very simple with some basic coats. I'll just draw it very simply. I'm getting a coat done. Right, so there will be a coat, and I'm actually looking up to some color blocking. So I think that I will divide some of the portions, give little different prints, color blocking and stuffs like that, and all over the thing. Some prints over somewhere, some plain color over somewhere. So like that I'll try to do something to achieve the look I want. So I think this color blocking will actually enhance this part of this book, and if I follow all these things which I have listed out, I will easily be able to understand what I actually got inspired from and what I actually designed. So at the end it will be like most in the similar side. Otherwise you imagine something, you get inspired, and then you come out with an entire different design, and finally you think that you are failing in this. So this is a way in which we can actually get frustrated that no, it's not happening. So stick with your basics that you have done. So stick with this and then keep on doing it, right? Even while doing designing, you can keep on taking look and inspiration from this book, keep it inside so that you can continuously have a look on this, right? So now you can just go out for these motifs and add it somewhere. So firstly I'll just make some flat sketches of the garment, what I think I want. And this is a modern look, a designer formal wear. So I'll get a spaghetti top inside. I think that will look fun, right? And with that I think straight pants, not very skinny tight or something, ankle length kind pants will be like nicer option. And this also I will try to add some blocking. So my motive is quite very clear. I have decided my motive, I have chosen the way I want to use the colors. So here the pictures are quite clear, that's why I am working on the designs very easily, right? Now this motives we can use over places where we want to do. So this is also called as placement of designs, right? So where you want to place what motif. So this motif, for example, I think it will look nice over here in the top. So I'll just roughly draw it to just make you understand that how this eye motif is actually converted into a design motif for this top, and this is actually looking nice at the same place. Now for this, like I have done it for basically for the color blocking part. So maybe I'm giving this area as some, I have already kept these pencils out so that I can easily tell you. So maybe I'll do green over here and orange over here. This is the rough area where you actually doing the work. So be very free, you don't have to be like very perfect while doing it. Even you can make the changes where you think that no, it is not happening the way you are imagining it. So this is the place where you can just keep on playing with your thoughts and minds so that you can make the final illustration perfect, right? So illustration keeps on helping you to grow the way you should, and what actually makes you feel like yes, this is really nice. So you can keep on changing the way you think to make it more appropriate according to your thoughts and minds. So I'm just not getting it very much different in every part. So somewhere like this portion I kept it similar, then the sleeves down both side is similar. So this kind of thing, I think that it will look nice when it gets in the way of completion. So yes, now I think that the book is in the base of orange, so I'll just go for the orange for the base. Over here also I have done orange. I'll try to add some little red and pink also, because it is here, not pink actually, but you can say the shade of red is quite coming as pink, so somewhere also I can use pink color. And this part I can go for little designs and stuffs like that. I can take some motifs from over here and then I can go for it. So this is a basic color blocking part. I think this will work. So this is a basic flat sketching kind of board I am actually looking up to. And for the footwear, I think to go with some simple basics that will actually look good. Again, I'm just getting it very simply drawn. I think it will look nice. Simple, because already the dress is quite heavy. So I think that if I just keep on adding lots and lots of thing and heavy boots kind of thing in the foot, then it will really disturb the thing. So I think simple footwear will be a nice option. This kind of a look we can go for it. And to get some motifs over here, I am planning out to get this thing over here. I think this will look nice, getting it in the shapes, and I'll try to make it completely done through this. So I think I'll get a good space how I want to do. Yes, and this chunk I want to keep it in green color only, because this green color actually looks very amazing in this book. So I'll try to go like that only with this same green, and going to convert this into a earring. You can always make necessary changes you want to. Taking inspiration doesn't mean that you have to copy it entirely. You can take ideas and you can work according to that, right? So these are the some few things. Yes, now this motive I'll plan out about it, and I think that it will look good with this part. Something like this. And again I can go for some this and this motifs over here. This checks motif can work over here. I'm trying to make it very simple, very easier. So this is the entire flat sketchboard that you can see. This is a very rough basic flat sketchboard. Even you can also plan your hair the way you want to do your hair, or even you can plan out more such things. For this formal look, I will prefer a simple black belt watch. I think that will be just perfect with this look. So I'll stick to a simple black belt watch. This will enhance the look. So footwear is decided, earrings are decided, accessory hand watch decided, and everything is quite done. So this is how it works, and now I'll show you what I have actually illustrated out of this. So this is the final illustration, as you can see. So I have kept the footwear very simple. You can see the color of the pants. I have given red shading to it. Then the blazer. The base color is orange, and on orange I have done all the color blocking. And also you can see that I have kept the hair very long because this inspiration comes out all from the mythological way, the look it is creating. So I just try to give long wavy hairs, and I think that will really look nice. Earrings, I have changed the color of earrings here. I tried to go for pink because pink was really very less in the garment. Only I did pink over here, so I think it will be a little balanced, as green is already quite a nice place. So this is how your inspiration can be turned out to your final design. So here in this way we did our inspiration and got done with our flat sketching, and then finally we are ready with our illustration.